What's up everyone? Just wanted to show you a quick video on how to make your bass lines a little bit more interesting. So I have a bass line pattern here. I'll just let you hear it quickly. And what I've done here is I've essentially created different note lengths for the actual pattern. So you can see some of these are slightly longer, some of them are actually shorter than the others, and they're all slightly different to give it a bit more of that sort of humanized feel, and also just a little bit more sort of character to the actual bass line itself. Now this is just a single layer bass line, so to introduce a little bit more interest to it, you'll notice here that each of them have got slightly different velocities as well. And what I've actually done is I've mapped the velocity with inside this synth, Legend, great synth if anyone's interested in a really nice sort of bass synth, but it's really good at everything else too. And I've mapped the velocity to the filter, so this filter here. Now what this is going to do is it's going to open the filter according to the velocity that's sent to it. So we've essentially got the filter opening differently each time. So this note here, for example, where it's almost red, this note is going to open up the filter a lot more. So I'll just show you what I mean by this. So it's essentially going to create some more dynamics into your bass in terms of, when I say dynamics, I'm talking about the filter opening and closing. So it's not all just set to the same filter cutoff each time. So, and you can come in and change any of these. So you can get that slightly more groove from the bass line. You can obviously map the velocity to anything else you'd like as well, but this is something I just wanted to quickly show you in this video on how I create these sort of one layer bass lines and give them a little bit more sort of interest. So I hope this has helped. If you'd like to check out any other tutorials, be sure to head over to allanmorrowstudios.com. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.